Hello, honey. Let me assist you in using this doorbell. First, let's download the Smart Life app. Scan this QR code on the instruction manual. Click Download. Follow this step to enter to the browser. The system will automatically select your country. You can click this download. You also can click there to enter the App Store. Click this one. In this page, we need to agree to the permission request that appears on the app. This is a very, very important step, and you can choose login or sign up according to your actual condition. Okay, now let's connect the chimney. Look at the first one. This button is the pairing button. Long press it for 3 seconds. At the same time, press the doorbell button. Okay. If you enter the pairing button, the chimney will ring. This means the pairing is successful. Now let's connect the doorbell to the mobile phone. We need to use 2.4G network and turn on the Bluetooth. Press the doorbell to wake it up. Click Add Device. Choose the first one. Wait a moment. Okay, the pairing is successful. When someone rings the doorbell, a pop-up window will appear on your phone. You can choose accept it or hang up. Hello. Of course, if we intercom unsuccessful doorbell pairing, we can reset the doorbell. Look at there. This is the reset button. If we reset it, we need to press the doorbell to wake it up, and then long press it. If you listen this voice, the reset is successful. And look at that. This is the recharge port. Okay.